Hey, it's Professor Mary coming to you from the Computer Graphic Arts program here at Rowan College. Today we're going to talk about the software that we use in the Computer Graphic Arts program here at Rowan College. As a CGA student, you're going to spend a significant amount of time working on projects, lab assignments, and homework, as well as other fun stuff outside of class time. You may spend up to 20 hours outside of class on a project, especially in your advanced classes. The CGA program here at RCGC uses industry standard software called the Adobe Creative Suite, and we also use a software program called Corel Painter. The Adobe software is available to you via a subscription service. It's as low as $19.99 a month, and that's for the entire Adobe suite. That's right, every piece of software that Adobe makes for about $20 a month. That includes Photoshop, Illustrator, Dreamweaver, Flash, you name it, it's all part of that package. The monthly subscription is billed monthly, or you can pay by year in advance. If you want to find out more information about that, please check out the Adobe website, which can be found at www.adobe.com. Click on the products and don't forget to select students. If you don't select students, you'll be paying the full price, which is $50 a month. Take advantage of the fact that you're a student and you get a student discount. And when you subscribe, you will have to provide some proof of purchase that you are a student, including your student ID, your roster, a bill, a letter from the college, anything that says that you're a student. So here we are at the Adobe website, and you notice the address is www.adobe.com, and this is what the website looks like today. And excuse me, if you come over here to where it says menu, you can go to this area right here. It says how to buy. The software is what's called a subscription program, meaning that you pay a monthly fee or a one-time yearly fee for all the software in the Creative Cloud. So if you click right here where it says student, and then you go in and takes you to the student page, there are two types of subscriptions that you can get. You can just get the basic membership, which is just Photoshop, or you can get the entire thing. So you can see, come down here, it says Creative Cloud Complete, and then Creative Cloud for Photography. The Creative Cloud for Photography only includes Photoshop and Lightroom, but for about $20 a month, you get everything. You get Photoshop, Lightroom, Premiere, InDesign, After Effects, Adobe Illustrator, Audition, which is an audio program, Dreamweaver, Fireworks, Flash, you name it. You get everything. And this $20 a month is about 60% off the full price version. So when you click on Buy Now, it's going to ask you to set up an account. That if you either don't already have an account, you'll have to create an account. And it's going to ask you for a credit card, which you're going to be asked to build either monthly or for each year. There's no real discount for purchasing it ahead of time. They don't give you anything off. They're already giving you 60% off, so they're not giving you an additional benefit. So you can do it monthly, or if you have all the money up front, you can pay it yearly. With taxes, it comes out to be about $23, $24 a month once they add the taxes and stuff on. Now, the other thing I wanted to point out to you is that there is an area right here that says check availability before you actually buy the product. And under the eligibility area, it will tell you what you need to be able to do to prove that you're a student. And so, here it says, it's for students. You can pay it either monthly or annually. And it says, am I eligible? So to qualify to eligible, you have to be at least 13 years old, and you have to be enrolled in either a university college, some type of accredited college, or a high school, or you can be homeschooled, and you have to provide that. When you go ahead and purchase the product, you're going to need to prove some eligibility, meaning either your student ID, your report card, a transcript, a bill. And what I did is I just took a picture of my student ID or my faculty ID, and when you get an email confirming that you've actually subscribed to the service, they're going to require you to send back the ID picture or the report card or the transcript. Once you do that, you'll get another email saying you're eligible to download the software. The software is fairly easy to download. When you get the software, when you download the software, you're going to get something called the Creative Cloud app for your desktop, and you'll be allowed to download all the applications that you want. And again, because you're getting all of it, you don't have to download every app. You can download just Photoshop and Illustrator, or Photoshop and InDesign, or Photoshop, Illustrator, and InDesign. It doesn't really matter. The other thing I want to point out is that in addition to getting all the software, you do get several other features. You get a portfolio website and some file sharing cloud space, which is kind of nice, so you can actually do that. If you have any questions, go ahead and ask the professor of the course that you're taking, or you can always email me, Professor Mary, which is mmalanconico@rcgc.edu. Also, just want to point out that you don't have to be a full-time student in order to get that discount. If you're only taking 1 or 2 classes here at the college, you do qualify for the Adobe discount. The other piece of software that we use here at the college is called Corel Painter. Corel Painter is available from the Journey Ed website, and you can get Painter at a significant discount around $120, $129, and that even includes a Wacom digital drawing tablet. Another place to buy the software is a website called journeyd.edu, www.journeyd.com, and it is a website for purchasing software for both students and educators. They also have the Adobe Creative Cloud. In this scenario, though, you have to do it for a 1-year membership. This is also a great place to get if you need Microsoft Office or any other software that you might need. Now, the other software package that we use here at the college that you may want to purchase is called Corel Painter. Corel Painter is a digital natural media software painting tool, and you can get this at a discounted price of $98.99 today. That's a pretty good price, off the list price of $429. And again, in order to be eligible, you have to be a student, faculty, staff. There is a required proof that you need to send to them. Again, what I did is I took a picture of my photo ID from the college and I emailed it to them after I placed the order. Now, one thing you might want to do, you might want to consider, is when you do the search for Corel Painter, there is this link that says Corel Painter $50 savings when you buy either the Adobe or the Wacom tablet. So if you buy the Creative Cloud from Journey Ed and then you bundle that with Painter, you're going to get $50 off Painter. The one thing I do recommend, though, is what you might want to do is buy a tablet. So, for example, in this offer, they're bundling a tablet, such as an Intuos or a Bamboo tablet from Wacom, and then you get the software for only $49. So that's what you need to know about the computer graphic arts software packages. If you need more information, please ask the professor of the course that you're taking. If you need additional information, you can look at our website at www.cgarcgc.com.